This is Fabulae 14.1. Hercules apuero corpus suum diligenter exercebat. Hercules, from boyhood, exercebat, used to train corpus suum, his body, diligenter, faithfully. So we've got subject Hercules, verb exercebat, dio corpus. All right. Corpus is really tricky because it looks like a US ending, but that noun is a third declension. It's corpus corporis neuter. And as you know, the nominative and accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in a. So, since the nominative is corpus, the accusative is corpus. Whew. And the thing that gives that away is suum, which modifies it in case, number, and gender. And the um there looks a lot like an accusative. So I want to talk a little bit about bat, exercebat. This is the imperfect. This is continuous action. And in this particular case, we translate it as would. How about that? Crazy, right? Hercules would train his body. You really don't want to say Hercules was training his body. That sounds dumb. But when we say would, we meant he would do it over and over again. And would actually comes from the word will. It's like the future and the past together. I will, I would. So it's got this weird tension of sort of vibrating back and forth between will and would, like some kind of crazy time oscillation. And that's the way I think of it when I see the imperfect there. An oscillation between the future and the past makes the imperfect. And I think you see some of this in Old English, where you can say he had a want to go to train his body, or that sail always wants to be trimmed. There's something about want and will and would that somehow work together as a tense. So let's take another. There's another one coming up here. Let's take a look. Magnam partem Dei in palaestra consumebat. Okay, so here's our verb, consumebat. He would spend, he would, oh, there it is again. He used to, he continuously, he repeatedly consumed a great part of the day in the gym. All right, very nice. This is pars partus, this means part, and this is a partitive genitive. Another very nice grammar point. Part of the day. The day doesn't own the part, but this expresses a sliver of the day. Okay? Dedicit etiam, he learned, in fact, arcum intendere, to shoot the bow, et tela conicere, and to hurl spears. Now this one is perfect, so a very different tense signature coming in there. He learned. That's a single snapshot there. And these two wonderful present active infinitives, intendere and conicere, completing the action of learning there. All right, but I do want to emphasize these imperfects. This indicates that this was Hercules' habitual activity. He would do it every day.